every promise, every vow. I stand for truth, I feel it now. Building bridges, steady hands, creating peace where love expands. Balance of hearts where trust begins, learning the strength that lies within. Fair and true through highs and lows, harmony is where my spirit grows. Partnerships built to last through time, each connection a sacred sign. What's up?